A warm greetings to all my teachers. It's me, Rihanna, from class 9. I love science, but even more, I love science experiments that can be done with inexpensive supplies. In this experiment, we're gonna learn how to blow up a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. Firstly, I'm gonna pour the vinegar into the bottle. Then I'm going to stretch the balloon and add some baking soda to it. Now I'm going to close the lid of the bottle within the balloon. Wow! Watch the balloon inflating. This inflation of the balloon is due to the reaction between baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar, which is acetic acid. The product of this reaction is carbon dioxide, water, and sodium acetate. So this experiment proves that the reaction of an weak acid with salt of a strong base evolves carbon dioxide. Thank you. Now, let's move on to the second experiment. This experiment is about soap-propelled boat. The attraction of water molecules to each other can be weakened by the addition of soap. The attraction between water particles at the water's surface produces surface tension of water. I'm gonna place the liquid soap in the small notch at the back of the boat. Means that the only way for the soap to disperse is by moving out of the back, causing the boat to move across the water. Since the surface tension is greater at the front of the boat than at the rear, it pulls the boat forward. Soap is a surfactant. That means that if it breaks down the surface tension of water, as the surface tension of water is broken up, it creates enough of a force to push the lightweight boat across the surface. So let's get into the third experiment. In this experiment, we're going to place 5 glasses and fill the glasses with odd number, that is 1, 3 and 5, with water and different kind of watercolor. Now let us fold tissues and place it in each of the glasses in such a way that all the glasses are connected. Now let it sit for 1 hour. After an hour, you can see the colors are shared in each of the glasses, which were also empty before the experiment. This experiment was succeeded due to the capillary action. Then comes the fourth experiment. This experiment is to check the fact not that things lesser than the density of water on any other liquid floats in it. For this, we need 2 brushes of water, common salt and 2 lemons. The procedure of this experiment is very simple to start. Now, fill the 2 glasses with common tap water. Now, take the lemon and put it in one of the glass. We can see that the lemon in the water sinks. Now, I'm going to take some salt and we'll add and dissolve it in other glass of water and obtain a salt solution. Now let's add other lemon. See, here the salt solution, which is denser than the common tap water, does not allow the lemon to sink. The lemon does not sink in the water, but it floats in the water. This is because the density of water. But on the other hand, the density of lemon in common water is higher than the density of water, so it sinks. This is the reason why one lemon floats while the other one sinks. This is the property of water. Here we go with the last experiment of this project. Here I'm gonna make a DIY lava lamp. Firstly, I'm gonna add baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, a compound of base. Now it's time for mixing the vegetable oil with the baking soda. Now I'm gonna set it aside. Now I'm gonna pour vinegar, which is an acid, and add food color to it. Now it's time to add drops of vinegar to it. In this experiment, an acid and a base, which is sodium bicarbonate and vinegar, are combined. They react and start producing carbon dioxide, a gas which you see bubble up as soon as the vinegar droplets are added. Thank you.